The 3TO brace is available in 4 designs for various nail strengths and widths, as well as for people who are allergic to nickel. The loop is also available in 2 strengths, the normal variant and a stronger one for particularly thick nails. An S-bend for subsequent loop mounting and an omega as a spring element and support are included in the brace sides. For treatments with the 3TO brace, you need grip pliers, a side cutter, the combi bending pliers, and a winch hook. The instruments must be disinfected and cleaned before each use, corresponding to hygiene regulations. We provide you with the light hardening pedigel for sealing the brace. Before the treatment, the entire area to be treated must be disinfected. To do this, use either skin disinfecting spray or the appropriate skin disinfectant cloths. Clean the nail crease before placing on the brace. Make sure that you do not create any unnecessary irritations when doing that. Before treatment, the brace must be disinfected, or if there is inflammation, sterilized. Clamp the first side of the brace at the omega into the gripping pliers. Now measure the length of the brace side. The connecting area for the loop in the middle of the nail should be approximately 5 mm. To bend the small hook that is later hooked under the nail edge, first bend the wire around the round side of the combi bending pliers until a roughly U-formed small hook is created. From the 4 holes, choose the desired hook size from coarse to very fine. Then place the hook facing upwards into the desired hole of the small hook pliers and press firmly. The hook must not protrude from the pliers, but rather must be completely in the hole. Finally, turn back the pliers a bit so that there is no sharp bend in the small hook. The small hook is then cut, short. It must be bent round enough, because an open hook can lead to injuries when the brace is attached under the nail. The brace side is detached from the remaining brace behind the S-bend. Use a nail file to deburr the wire end. Then the brace side is adapted to the curvature of the nail surface, using the round side of the combi bending pliers. The more exactly the wire is adapted to the form of the nail, the easier it is to attach it later. Now clamp the brace with the S-bend into the gripping pliers. And then disinfect the wire. Hold the pliers with the clamped brace like a pencil and pull the nail crease a bit to the side. Now insert the brace side from above into the nail crease. Press the small hook that is parallel to the nail crease lightly downward and turn it at 90 degrees under the nail. Lay the brace side on the nail. The omega will be pointing toward the nail bed. If the brace leg is not sufficiently on or pricks the small hook, the brace will have to be removed again and rebent. The second brace side is prepared in the same way and hooked in on the other side of the nail. For ease of use, the loop is first bent open a bit and the winch hook is introduced into the eyelets. Then place the loop around the S-bends of the brace sides and pull the brace sides together lightly with your fingertips before you twist the loop. When you twist it, ensure that the loop is always under pressure so that the wire is in the middle and evenly twisted. Check if the brace is solidly on the nail. The patient should not feel any pressure or pain. Pinch off the wire ends of the loop and the S-bend short. Hold a finger on the remaining part of the wire so it cannot fly around when the wire is cut. To seal the 3TO brace, put on a drop of Pedigel using the spatula and apply it over the wire ends. Activate the 3TO microlamp and harden the Pedigel by lighting it for 20 seconds. Hold the microlamp at the lowest possible distance from the sealing point. During hardening, an oily layer will form on the surface of the gel that you can easily remove using a moist swab. Any nail corners that are pressing must be removed and the nail crease is then plugged or treated as a wound would be treated. To remove the brace, loosen the sealing with the cutter and sever the loop. The brace sides can then simply be removed. If you want to reuse the brace side again, it must be disinfected before putting it on again. The brace side can be used up to 3 times before the spring function starts to wear out. If the desired treatment result is not yet attained, a new brace must be prepared.